This video I will explain what is an unauthorized transaction in PhonePe and what to do. An unauthorized transaction is a payment or money transfer that happens without your permission. For example, you open PhonePe or check your bank account and notice that money has been sent to someone, even though you did not make the payment. This can happen because of fraud, account misuse, or someone gaining access to your phone or payment details. The good news is that acting quickly can help to reduce further loss. What is an unauthorized transaction? An unauthorized transaction is any payment that you did not approve. For example, money sent from your account without your knowledge. A payment made while your phone was lost or stolen. Someone using your PhonePe account without your permission. A fraudster tricking you into approving a payment. How can unauthorized transactions happen? Some common reasons are you accidentally share your UPI PIN, you shared an OTP, someone gained access to your unlocked phone, you clicked a fake payment link, you installed a fake or harmful app, a fraudster pretend to be PhonePe customer support or a bank employee. What you should do immediately? Step 1. You have to stay calm. Do not panic. Instead, act quickly because every minute is important. Step 2. You have to check the transaction. Open the PhonePe app, go to the history and find the suspicious transaction. Then take the screenshot if possible. You have to check the amount, the date and time, the receiver's details and the transaction ID. Step 3. You have to contact your bank immediately. Call your bank's customer care as soon as possible. Tell them that you noticed an unauthorized transaction. Ask whether they can block further transactions, temporarily block your account if needed, and guide you on the next steps. Step 4. You have to report the transaction in PhonePe. Open PhonePe, go to the transaction, use the help or report an issue option, explain that you did not authorize the payment. You have to provide the requested details. Step 5. Change your UPI PIN. If you think someone may know your UPI PIN, change it immediately. Creating a new UPI PIN helps to protect future transactions. Step 6. Secure your phone. If your phone is lost or stolen, lock the phone remotely if possible. Remove access to your payment apps. Contact your mobile network provider to block your SIM card if necessary. This helps to prevent additional unauthorized transactions. Step 7. Report cyber fraud. If you believe you were cheated by a fraudster, you have to report the incident to the appropriate cybercrime authorities in your country as soon as possible. You have to provide details like transaction ID, amount, date and time, screenshots, and receiver's information if available. Now we will see the real life example. Rahul checks his bank account and notices that 3000 rupees has been transferred to someone he does not know. He immediately opens PhonePe and checks the transaction details. He calls his bank and reports the unauthorized transaction. He also reports the issue through the PhonePe help section. Finally, he changes his UPI PIN and secures his account. Because Rahul acted quickly, he reduced the risk of additional unauthorized payments. How can you prevent unauthorized transactions? You have to follow these safety tips. Never share your UPI PIN. Never share your OTP. You have to keep your phone locked with a secure password, PIN or fingerprints. You have to download PhonePe only from the official app stores. You have to avoid clicking unknown links. You have to regularly check your PhonePe history and bank account. You have to keep your phone and apps updated. Important things to remember. PhonePe, banks and NPCI will never ask your UPI PIN or OTP over a phone call, message or email. Receiving money does not require you to enter your UPI PIN. If someone asks you to enter your UPI PIN to receive the money, it is likely a scam. You have to report suspicious transactions immediately. Acting quickly gives you the best chance of limiting further damage. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.